why did we choose drone show software? Well, to be quite frank, when I started almost 5 years ago, there was no other alternative. Drone show software was the only available platform for a company like ours. Another thing that we like with drone show software is that drone show software has a strong background in the makers community. It was really something that started in the open source development platform, and the roots are still there. You can easily customize drone show software for different scenarios. For instance, in our case, we have multiple ways of deploying our ground control stations and deploying our Wi-Fi network. So depending on if we're going to fly right above us, we're going to use one kind of Wi-Fi setup. If we take off here and we fly 500 meters away over a lake, for instance, then we can change our Wi-Fi configuration, use directional antennas, and there's a lot of flexibility built in the system that we really enjoy.
We probably started talking to Eric 6 months ago, so we I guess that's a testament to how good the software is and we've become providers in about 11 months, from no experience, just a lot of drone experience, but no light show experience, to delivering shows in a city for, I think we had an audience of 10,000 in 11 months.
Of course, we contacted other players on the market. Even in our little Belgium, there are guys who wrote their own software. But to be honest, we believe the drone show software of UgCS is safer because they work with several security checks and geofences. But as important as safety is, it's even more important that you can rely on your partner. At first, when we contacted UgCS, they always responded very quickly.
Zu jeder Uhrzeit fragen kann, wenn es Probleme gibt. Man bekommt sofort Antwort, und das ist bei so einer Sache, finde ich, das Wichtigste, dass wenn man vor Ort ist und Probleme hat.
But firstly, I'd just like to say thanks to the DSS team, for all the great work. The newest version of the software looks amazing. So many, niggles and things ironed out, and really useful tools for operators out there, have been brought in and implemented. So it's all looking really great. Also, along with kind of supported drones, there's choice now, as opposed to having to build your own drones from scratch, and that's, for a lot of people, adds a whole extra layer of complexity and makes this thing sort of unachievable. So being able to go out there, have recommended suppliers from you guys is brilliant.
I was part of the first drone show competition, which was a little bit challenging for me. I love seeing different drone shows that happen around the world. It's crazy that people are making shows with more than 1,000 drones. And The industry keeps getting bigger and bigger every time, and I love being part of it.
An application where the drones themselves are the entertainment. And that is what makes the drone show industry different. And I do think that drone shows have the potential to disrupt and are already disrupting how live events industry is delivering that optimal package of entertainment, advertisement, and messaging. And it is a medium that really does not have anything comparable to it at this point.